Hello everyone, I am Dr. Yashashree Chauhan and today we will talk about topic vitamin B6 and its benefits for women. Vitamin B6 benefits for women are numerous. Sometimes the issues of women struggling with hormone imbalance are premenstrual syndrome and infertility. So we will talk about vitamin B6, what are its benefits, how much amount of B6 we should add in our diet, what happens when we are lacking of it, what happens when we take excess amount of vitamin B6 in our diet, and what are the sources of vitamin B6, what are the reasons due to which vitamin B6 is not absorbing in the body properly. In video I will give you breakdown of everything you need to know about vitamin B6. So vitamin B6, which is also known as pyridoxine, its benefits are hormone balance, reduces premenstrual syndrome, mood support, brain health optimization, and autoimmune support. So what does vitamin B6 do? It gives you positive mood by transmitting and synthesizing neurotransmitters like serotonin. Second is, it is important part of making hemoglobin, which is responsible for oxygenation in the body. It metabolizes proteins, carbohydrates and fats, and last but not the least, it is important for hormone balance. So we will talk about vitamin B6 in hormone balance. So it increases progesterone and reduces estrogen, which is sweet spot for hormone balance. Second is, it regulates adrenal functioning. So there are many women who are suffering from HPA axis dysfunction, due to which there will be symptoms like exhausted feeling, irritability, lack of libido, loss of memory. So by taking vitamin B supplements and vitamin B6, they will get back to normal routine. So it is simple water soluble vitamin helpful in creating optimal health in so many women. So how much amount of vitamin B6 we need daily in our diet? In adults it's 1.3 mg and in pregnant and lactating women it is 1.9 mg. So if you are deficient of it, you are taking low amount of vitamin B6 in your diet, there will not be any symptoms. But it doesn't give you optimal health, so it's better to take proper amount of vitamin B6 in your diet. But always keep in mind, if something is good for you, that doesn't mean whole lot is better. So overconsumption of vitamin B6 can causes nausea, heartburn, neuropathy, skin rashes. So what are the sources of vitamin B6? It's avocado, banana, potatoes, chicken breast. So animal sources are more than vegetable sources. That is the reason the people who are vegan and who are vegetarian, we have seen deficiency of vitamin B more in those people than non-vegetarian people. So it is difficult to diagnose vitamin B6 deficiency. So in many people it is always subclinical deficiency. And there are so many reasons due to which B6 hormone doesn't get absorbed in the body. Few reasons are alcoholism, hormone birth control pills, autoimmune diseases like Crohn's disease, ulcerative colitis, rheumatoid arthritis. So what are the symptoms if you are deficient of vitamin B6? There will be generalized weakness, dry lips, lack of libido, weakness of memory, depression, sleepless. B6 is superstar vitamin, and vitamin B6 is absolutely essential for optimal health and hormone that makes you feel superhero. So this is about vitamin B6, and tell me how you had any positive experience after adding vitamin B6 in your diet. And if you like this video, let me know in the comment section. And please subscribe my YouTube channel, Dr. Yashashree Chauhan. Thank you.